In this video, you'll learn how to duplicate a project in Asana. By following this guide, you will be able to create a copy of any project within your workspace, which can save time and effort when managing similar tasks. Begin by navigating to the Asana website and sign into your workspace using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the specific project you wish to duplicate. It is essential to ensure that you have edit permissions for that project, as this will allow you to perform the duplication process. Next, open the project by clicking on its name in the list of projects displayed on your dashboard. Once the project is open, look for the project menu, which is typically represented by 3 dots or a downward arrow near the project title. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. After accessing the project menu, look for an option labeled Duplicate Project and select it. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose which elements you would like to copy. These may include tasks, due dates, and assignees. Make your selections carefully, as this will determine what is included in the duplicated project. Once you've made your selections, you will be asked to name the new project. It is advisable to give the project a clear and descriptive name to differentiate it from the original. After naming the project, confirm the duplication process, and Asana will create a reusable copy of your project. After the duplication is complete, the new project will open automatically. Take this opportunity to customize the project as needed. Adjust any dates, reassign tasks, or remove unnecessary items that are not relevant to the new project. If required, you can also reorder sections to better reflect your workflow. Finally, share the duplicated project with your teammates to ensure everyone is aligned and informed about the tasks at hand. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.